here today to, okay, now it's recording. So we are going to continue working with our multiple step word problems. And we're going to do the same thing that we kind of have been, where I'm going to do 2 example problems on the video and kind of walk you through how I would solve them. And then we will do probably just 1 example in class today over Zoom. And then the rest of the time is yours to work. I do want to give you a couple of reminders though, because only a couple of you are actually submitting your work. So remember, it's not just getting the slides done. You actually have to go back into Canvas, and mine looks a little bit different than your guys's because I'm on my teacher mode. But when you pull up the assignment, and this is what the assignment for today looks like, you should have, I think it's either blue or green. I'm pretty sure it's blue though. There should be a submit button up here in this corner. You actually have to go through and hit submit. Okay, it's not just doing the assignment. You have to hit submit, or else it shows me that you didn't turn anything in. And I want to make sure I'm giving you guys credit for attempting to do the work. Okay, so just remember to go through and hit submit every single day on the assignment. Okay, so now we're going to kind of switch gears again. I'm going to switch my slide back over to the assignment for today. And again, I went ahead and added in those clue words that you guys can use. Okay, so again, I have not gone through and put audio on this quite yet, but I will here in just a minute, because remember, Google Read and Write will not work with this. Okay, until I go through and put audio on it, I'm going to go ahead and just read them to you. Okay, so this one is that Julie has 42 pictures that she wants to put in a book. And each page holds 4 pictures. Okay, and it wants to know how many pages does she need to place all the pictures in the book. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this type here. Okay, because we know we're going to type right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with 42 because I know that's how many pictures that she has. Okay, and so then I'm going to go through and I'm going to look for my clue words. And I see that clue word each. And remember, each can be either multiplication or division. When I think about this, I'm saying, here's my pile of pictures to start with. I can put 4 on this page, and 4 on this page, and 4 on this page, and 4 on this page. Okay, so I know that I am doing repeated subtraction or division. Okay, so I'm going to do 42 divided by 4. Okay, and this one, I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's not going to come out evenly. Okay, we will be left with a decimal. Okay, so 42 divided by 4 is going to give us 10 and 10.5 or 10 and a half. Okay, but it's just asking us how many pages does she need to put all the pictures in the book. Well, we can't have half a page, right? So when we think about what we have to do with that remainder, we will actually have to add or round up, not add up, round up. Okay, so we're actually going to get that she needs 11 pages for all of her pictures. Okay, that doesn't make sense, let me know. Because I know that problem in particular was not a 2-step or 3-step word problem like we've been working with. That was just a 1-step. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and do problem 2 with you guys. And this one is saying that Oliver is making goodie bags for his birthday party. He wants to make 11 goodie bags, and each goodie bag uses 9 pieces of candy. Okay? He has already made 5 goodie bags. So how many more pieces of candy does he need to complete his goodie bags? Okay? Again, I'm going to get rid of this type here because I don't need that. Okay? And then I know that he's going to need 11. That's how many he wants to make. So I'm going to type in 11 right here. But it's telling me that he's already made some. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to subtract the number that he's already made. And he's already made 5 of them. So when I go through and I solve that problem, 11 minus 5, I know that he needs 7. Actually, just kidding. He needs 6. Okay, shows you that even teachers make mistakes sometimes. He needs 6 more goodie bags. Okay, so I'm gonna then take that 6, which is how many he needs to make, and I'm gonna multiply that by how many pieces of candy he wants in each goodie bag. And if you read in that third sentence that he wants each goodie bag to have 9 pieces of candy in it. Okay, so if we were to then solve that problem, 6 times 9, that would give us 54. Okay, so he needs 54 pieces of candy to fill his goodie bags. Okay, so that is how I would solve the first 2 problems on your assignment today. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to go through, audio is not on here right now, but I'm going to go through and add audio. And just a reminder, to go through when you're done with the assignment, hit submit on it, because then that sends me a notification that it's done. And I also want to just remind you guys to ask questions if you need help. I'm on Zoom the whole class period, and only like 1 or 2 of you are getting back on Zoom to let me know if you have questions. Okay? I can't help you if I don't know that you have a question. Okay? So, I will see you guys on Zoom today.